40 seconds. Leader is Michael Ego, followed by Dan, Gail, Dustin, Blue.
Hey, one of my stickers came off.
No, I think I'm going to take.
Are they over there, Roger, on the floor? There's a toy by the bench at the end of the drag strip. What's that on the floor?
There's Lance, it's right here.
Am I allowed to run ball bears? No.
Oh yeah, right in front of that box.
Yeah, you're good.
All right. Yeah, that's a lot of money when you lose your
Check
glasses.
round heads, you know?
Yeah. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Watch flash. All right, switch them. My gas is going in on red and Joe is sitting out.
Okay.
Side by side again.
After one, Michael Eager 28, Dale 26, Mike J, Dan 24, Joe and Steve 23, Al 20, and Wally 17.
Hey, Steve, we're trying.
Cheating bullet car. Even his motor has wings.
Oh, that's why.
He's got a little turbo jet.
I got some.
1 minute.
This is going to be good.
Up, Steve. Where do I need to marshal?
Anywhere you can find a spot.
Alright.
Just go.
That's why I put mine behind usually.
Here we go, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
Marshall, please.
Oh. I'm sorry.
3, 2, 1, go. Sensitivity too high.
My sensitivity's on way down.
He said it's too big of a opinion.
Okay.
Roger. 3,
It's the same as it always was. It just never done this until just right now.
3, 2, 1, go.
Dale, did one of your switches get pushed up?
No, they're all done. I'll take whatever help
3,
I can get.
2, 1, go. So what's going on over there? What's the difficulty?
The turn.
No. That means somebody's falling off there every time around. That means somebody's car is not working
It's like a
right.
barricade.
There's 3 cars.
Okay.
You gotta ease on the throttle. Punching it.
Yeah, don't try to punch
These
it
are
before
3
you.
cars. Wow, all but one.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on! Really? Wasn't me. I mean, I'm sorry.
Stop go.
I've hit somebody 4 times in a row.
Under the bridge.
That's okay to be a flat.
Black way.
First lap, we got 17. And he's going to cruise and get like 28 on one.
No, he was hit you.
I didn't hit him.
Oh, you mean Michael?
Yeah, he's going to cruise.
3, 2, 1, go.
Because I narrowed the tires, they're hubwood.
3, 2, 1,
Yeah, no, that's it.
Okay.
So wait,
go.
I'm not saying anything, but I'm thinking it's not it.
That's not it.
If you can hear my thoughts right now.
Thank you, sir.
3, 2, 1, go. Nope, it's not in.
Push it forward.
It's in.
Is the bleed wire off or something like that?
He doesn't know. Probably bad bugs. He was down 20 years.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go. Just gonna stop it right now.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one. I think Dale's in the lap counter, Roger. Can you get him? He got his lap.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's a gas, yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. And switch on. You used to have a much higher pitched voice. What happened? Don't we all remember? No, some of us will.
Sometimes I wonder why I take this spot.
No, Adam, leave the cars there. No, leave it in the truck. Need some like Hawaii Five-O music.
I cut the tires down because Mikey was so fast. They're hubwood.
Wow.
They're wing cart tires.
You need a new body though.
You
You have
think?
a vertical there.
It's like a wedge.
We're racing NASCAR, not Group 10.
You're in.
I used to
Brad's
have a
on
body.
deck.
You're in. Where?
So,
You're in? You're in? Where?
Have you seen Pluto?
Right next to your...
Roger.
40 seconds.
You're much younger than me.
It's warm. I wish I had the fan. Which means I get the worst turn of the track.
No,
Yeah.
that's the worst term, man.
Hold on. I think I'm the wrong car.
Still have 25 seconds.
Hold on. Next to it.
Whoops!
20.
I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Move my
Oh,
car.
yeah.
I wasn't on right.
What's
Dan?
that?
You're up.
Sit.
You're out.
No, you're ready to go.
Stop
No,
there.
I'm ready to go. Then I'm perfect.
After White, you sit.
Let's do that.
3,
Marshall right there.
2, 1, go.
caution, going black and black.
Did you see that? People are just falling off in front of Michael now.
I told you.
Yeah.
28 laps.
He won't be cruising.
I will get 28 laps.
3, 2, 1, go. One minute. 4, 3, 3, 5 for Dale. 4, 4, 4, 4. Sure.
You put me behind the lap counter? Just fix it.
Look back at that.
Nice try. Your car.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that car was just stopped your lane.
Gotta love being
Breaking my
next to
car.
your father.
That's breaking my concentration.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's in a ping pong. Now, what's that game? The whole little silver balls?
Pachinko.
3, 2, 1, go.
Didn't want to kill anybody. Like,
3, 2,
stop. I'm sorry.
1, go. No, you're not. You gotta go faster. Don't try to say anything. Just pick up the car and put it on. 3, 2, 1, go. And that's the end of the heat.
I got you. See, I'm
Mike is gonna sit out and Brad is gonna go in.
Yes.
Alright, someone else takes my spot.
No, if it was the picture, you wouldn't see it.
Okay, I'll take it.
Thank you.
Oh,
Apparently,
no,
I'm not
no, no.
good enough for that spot.
I'm awesome.
And I don't want people to get their car crashed in half.
What?
Well, then you won't be racing
Whatever
here.
you got in there, I'm calling it.
Then you won't be racing here.
Can I need for this?
Yes.
Can I need for this?
Just get out of the way of it,
Hey, what's the best way to increase your handling?
Don't bend your
Go
car
slow.
in the normal direction.
When you're slow, your car has...
What lane is your control on?
Talking
I'm on
about
green.
the actual car, not a
Straight
I
car.
want to be a smart
So
aleck.
just make sure that as many people as often as possible.
I think you're thinking the green one.
Dad. Next week I'm going to tell you shit.
They gotta be a little tall.
20 seconds.
High off the racetrack.
Yeah, those were 850s. Is that cheetah 7 or cheetah 11?
11.
11? So you
10.
can only run 720s and 850s. Yeah, you're 40 down.
The cars, if you see me down
3,
the straightaways, I'm fast.
2, 1, go. Just watch your corner. Stop looking back, hon. Just watch your corner. Stare at one spot on the track is what I mean. You're gonna have a sore neck tomorrow.
The car.
I got it in.
No.
3,
His
2,
arm was almost wide open.
1, go. One minute.
That's ugly.
Good time for, oh, Maria can take your switch.
Everybody on?
Well, you accept it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Good.
3, 2, 1, go.
Got it.
Sorry about that.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, motor's off. That one's not in.
Thank you.
Green's not in.
This?
Yeah, push it in. Slide it forward.
3, 2, 1, go. Seconds left to go. Three, 2, 1, go. All right, Joe, you're going in on red. Wally sits out.
Taking your spot.
Good for you.
Okay, the leader right now is Dale with 25.2,
New glasses.
24.5 for Dan, 24 for Mike K, 23 for both Brad and Joe, 22.8 for Michael Ida, 22.7 for Mike Gass,
Notice when I.
22.5 for Dave Gass,
Because there's 4.
21.8 for Steve, 21.5 for Wally, 20.2 for Al.
You can call me Al.
There you go.
We're recording the race. You can't play music that's copyright when you're recording and trying to sell.
Wait, someone gonna cover that?
Now we're selling the race to make more money off of it.
Someone cover that?
Well, pays himself. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna drag race or a sprint? All right.
All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
No, black, guys. You gotta put the sticker on it. No, I don't.
There you go.
Oh, no.
Why you put it in my sticker? Just feel it, put it on.
You're right, I don't.
There it comes, guys.
Just keep going, it's fine.
Just remember where they come.
And I'll yell at you. Appreciate it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Just remember to put that stuff together and I'll get you out there.
Just do what I say.
Close back on, do what I say.
Just do whatever he says. He won the first race.
God,
He's the king of the night.
King of the night. Oh.
Steve, because he won the
And my car won the figure eight.
So whatever he says goes. 3, 2, 1, go.
He doesn't race good.
Under the bridge.
Got it.
3,
Wait.
2, 1, go. Three, two, one, go. 15 seconds. All right, that's the end of that heat. And Dan is going to go back in, and Dale's going to have a seat for a while.
But
He's gonna talk to my mind.
I do have that side shot.
Carbon fiber and like ceramic. Parts are cheap.
Hey, I'm in it.
Everybody else borrowed mine. But yeah, that's fine.
Put the black sticker on.
20 seconds.
Oh, I skipped black.
10. 3, 2, 1, go.
It went back in.
3, 2,
No. Is it in purple? It's on purple.
3, 2, 1,
I thought it was
go.
black. Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, there's another one under there.
It's done. They're both mine. Father and son were bumping into each other. They're all
3, 2, 1, go. 30 seconds.
Brian.
All I saw was a car split. It's fine.
3, 2, 1, go.
Running bridge. Clear.
Yay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Possible.
I got it. Why can't I see on my face?
Can you put it back on?
That's probably how
3, 2, 1, go. And that's the end of heat number 6. Mike K is back in. Michael Ega is going to sit.
Oh man, get the pits.
Thank God.
Yeah, we're gonna car now.
Yes, he can.
It's the gnats.
Oh, I can't, but everyone else.
Everybody else can.
The gnats, you have a heat and a nap time in between the heats.
Oh, we got rid of working on the cars.
Huh?
Can't work on the cars.
They don't, you can't?
Well, in the higher class. Like, open, 12 and open. You're open. You're a plastic.
Oh. I was talking about week time.
Yeah, time to eat it.
No, they made it longer. It's 5 minutes now. Oh, 4.
Now you got 5 minutes on? How many minutes on? 4?
5. Well, open to 5 and 5.
Now we see.
Yeah, so they need motors every heat.
Yeah.
Well, they already ran for 5 minutes. It's just a 4-minute break.
Heck, you for them changed the whole race car.
25 seconds.
Insane, I was going to change the bearing.
10,
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Might be hooked up wrong. I don't see the blue light on yours.
Should be good.
What?
On the left car?
Nope, you're way past it. 3 feet, 4 feet.
Shouldn't do that again.
3, 2, 1, go. The light's on. That's the car.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Throw it.
That's the first time I heard that.
You know what?
It's opinion. Can't tighten opinion.
Right where red runs and red runs.
Opinion, not your spur.
Pino.
Gotcha.
No.
It spins, just spins free.
I heard it's hot.
Yeah. Be careful you don't melt.
What's wrong? It ain't nothing with the car.
Here, Marshall.
What happened?
You hooked it up wrong.
They burn it?
Nope, not yet.
Nope, I'm good.
The light came on when it came back
Is it
on.
a third eye?
Yeah.
Hey, Wally, talk to Howard. Talk to Wally.
All right, we ready?
If you sit his back now, he's going to lost you more.
3, 2, 1, go.
Who do I send it to?
Am I in the
Howard, the third eye. Look at green. See that?
black car?
You got your left.
Yeah, you're right. Push them forward. Thank you.
You got a wrench?
Behind you on the bench.
Here, right behind you.
See the black one right there?
Hey, you steal my sticker?
Throw right to the rock. He's got it. You got it.
Oh my gosh, especially because they're all buzzing and they're coming towards us.
Gear?
I wonder if it's just something I can fix.
That's scary.
3, 2, 1, go.
You're having a run reminiscent of mine, I'm like.
Yeah, we're not on black right now.
Me? No.
Thank God.
He had a bar purple 6 feet and he something again.
Oh, man.
Don't push up, just a minute. Yeah, don't
I've never done that.
Just the tiniest, no, don't go
Yeah.
backwards. Don't go back. But don't push it forward.
3, 2, 1,
Drop
go.
Somebody get that!
Oh, in the bank.
Yeah,
That's a concourse winner.
yeah,
Hey, what happened to your other wheel?
It's high.
it
Strip
came
on the
off
concourse.
right
You're
here.
stripped. You're stripped.
It's in the tip.
No, you can't strip it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, the track. I was I'm short. I'm like a raptor.
Oh, this is the worst.
Car didn't go. I wonder if maybe it is something.
This is the worst seat I've been.
It doesn't
3, 2, 1,
yell, it's crying.
go.
What heat is this for? What heat?
This is heat number 7.
This is 7.
Got 2 seconds left.
10.
Anyway.
3,
gonna be
2,
a
1,
while.
go. Why? Who's asking?
Glenn, he's coming out. He just got home. Or he just got
Is that a switch?
Yes, and Dale's going in and Steve's sitting out.
I think I'm going in, aren't I? Wally's going in, right? Oh,
Yeah, I'm going in.
Let's cream the color. So many people go on right in front. Dale? I think our thing is.
Who's going in on red?
Who's there, Lana?
I just said Wally.
Wally's there. Send her in.
All right, I'll touch your face.
I'm still on white.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh, happens to me all the time.
Yes.
It's
wait a
like
minute.
twins. We're trying to figure out which one's the Vito and which one's source of it.
Yeah, you should still be in white. I don't know why I said that. Yes, you end on white.
Probably nothing. You just ship it to them. How come I just bought it last week? Yeah. What's their address? You're blind. Yeah. I'm a blind.
10 seconds.
I tried by sound.
Why are you guys making fun of me? The total is sorry.
3, 2, 1, go. Can somebody help him out there?
No.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, yeah!
Don't get any slack, 'cause then
We get some pies tonight.
Is there one in the
They're
middle?
out for pie.
3,
I'm seeing a pattern.
2, 1, go.
Clear.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Dale is going in and Steve is now sitting out. He's finished, so let's see what
Put me in, coach.
we've got. Steve is the first one to finish, his total is 168.
Reed must be slower, Roundeye. Huh? You were passing people like you were on red. Check to see if you're tight. No, is it tight? Because down the straightaway it shouldn't matter. Check the direction. You were slow,
Loud and clear when they sit tight. Not my bus can have a tendency to not slow down.
On red? Darn.
I just think people be loud on black. So if I'm focused.
That's so disgusting. Oh my God.
You heard it. It was so disgusting.
10 seconds. Why did I marry you?
Oh, good. Woo! It's love.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, that was a good grab.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh!
Oh no.
Roger in front of you. I know, but I was watching you lost her finger.
I'm fine.
I think we lost a finger out there. You all right?
Oh boy.
The driver lost his finger. The one in the
You
car.
okay? You have to put him in catcher's gear next week.
You guys are going to
This
be
is like
very
real life
along with the
racing. We
slack
got like
cars.
Wait a second, Dave. Did you hook up one?
all over the field.
I better have my cup on.
3,
Well,
3,
we're
2,
sitting in
1,
kind of dangerous
go.
position. There.
Sorry, bro.
Look at that, Dave.
I'm glad I'm
Ah.
Go ahead. Oh, that was the thing.
All right, guys. I hear a punch.
Chances are on sale.
I hear a
after
punch
this race,
coming.
5%.
Here it comes.
I just need to,
3, 2, 1, go. 1, go.
Thank you, Roger. I got a lift over.
He's not in. All right, that is the end of heat number 9. Michael Iga is going back in, and Mike Gass is finished with 178.
Next Friday is wing car racing.
So 178 for Mike Gass, 168 for Steve. Next,
Yeah.
Dave will finish and Al will finish
Go ahead.
in the next heat.
What town is it in, Ronnie? We flying to San Francisco?
What?
We flying to San Francisco for that?
I have no clue. You haven't told me a darn thing.
Where's France?
Roller Park,
No, is that San Francisco or is that the other one?
San Francisco.
We're in the car with
Flying to San Francisco. They drive north.
I don't even know, are you staying,
Go?
where are we staying, Roger?
In a nice hotel.
Which one?
That one, not one we stayed in last time.
Good.
Okay.
That's all I care about.
I went to stay in last time. Motel 6.
Oh, it was a Motel 6.
It was not.
Sucked.
Check for bed bugs.
Oh, is that it?
Was the Motel
We
6.
stayed at one of them their
3
fancy
was Red Roof Inn, same difference.
What's the indoor
3,
club?
2, 1, go. It was close to the track. And I don't care, I was staying on the track.
They're swinging way out. You got lucky.
3, 2, 1, go. That one I thunder was up on top.
You got it.
Put that one up on top, please.
Put on top, throw it in.
On top, up on top. Nope.
Wait.
It isn't as great.
No,
The chassis is twisted.
go forward.
Let's put it this way though. After this, you're gonna need to redo the whole guide.
Oh,
It's twisted. Like,
yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Top and back.
1 minute to go. I'm trying.
Cool.
Relax.
Am I in the...
I didn't know, I was looking
No.
over here.
You're right before.
Stop asking me
In the
about.
car, and I was like, what is it? It's right there.
Are you still asking?
I'm gonna start cursing at you.
Again?
Stop. 3, 2, 1, go. Wally?
Oh, there's that correct.
You want that extra distance.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
Oh, no, but I went up.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Under the bridge. way under.
Not everybody.
Your car kind of looks like the,
I can't get it.
Can you get it over here?
Get him?
Right over here.
yeah, like the Mach 5, especially the way its nose slap straight down.
That's because most of my body's on the tracks.
All right, 36 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. That's the end of the heat.
There can't be a gutter on the side.
Al is going in for the last heat, and David's done.
Lost the clip.
Did you see yourself over here?
No, because I couldn't see this.
Oh.
He was standing up.
He finished with 181, so he's the leader right now.
Ooh.
But Dale looks like he's going to make it.
Yeah. Blow up to be seen. Don't blow up. Well, I'm not going to blow up. It's a new motor.
I'm in dead last quarter.
Here, where am I?
Only because this wing car guy broke. And the other Mike wing car guy didn't have a good day. The two mics would have
What number is that on your car?
lots out of one.
Your password?
Hey. So social security number.
Hey, Mike, put it on the board. Check the notes.
That's what I'm doing.
Out of here,
What kind of front wheel is that? Is that like a Pro Star? Or
It's a Daytona.
okay.
3D.
3D.
Yeah. Good job.
I'm good.
Powder coated with
Yeah, hard that was.
Yeah, half the pins were ripped out.
All right, coming up on 10 seconds.
What's it? Apple pie.
5,
Warm.
Warm. Nice.
3, 2, 1.
Blow fuse?
Yeah. North end of a southbound view.
I put it in wrong again.
Should we wait?
No.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, you got him.
That's Swiss.
Whatever happened to my car happened again. Yeah, what happened?
Well,
Yeah. Bad. Really bad.
Yeah, I'm done. I can blink for it.
even then.
You're missing 2 pins.
3, 2,
On one side.
1, go.
Off the black. No. Green.
Wow.
Maybe it's time to change the GTP box.
3, 2, 1, go.
And motor. Oh, good. What? Oh, what the heck, dude? What? Oh, yeah, dead. I'm going to see how this is wet.
1 minute.
Off the bridge. That's the last heat. Pull it.
Yours. It's kind of limping.
That's
It'll
the lock.
stay on the track.
I think you got it. Flat track racing.
Yeah, I'm gonna take everybody out.
Now throw it here. Throw it.
3, 2, 1, go. got a rider?
Flag.
Is there anything under there?
Purple bridge.
Whoa, what's that on?
I'll
Which
help
side
you.
of bridge?
Can't stop there.
What is it?
That's my brush, my brake.
You need a break?
Yeah, right? No. Is blue back on?
Yep, clear.
You're right there, Dale.
Yeah, she's on.
Came around to the west.
Oh,
3, 2, 1, go. All right, that's the end of the race.
Next up is Flat Track Racing with Mike Eagar.
Don't race scale.
Okay, Dale is the winner with 204. Mike K second with 188. Brad third with 183. Dave Gass fourth with 181. Michael Iga fifth with 180. Mike Gass